Okay, if you want to pause the video now and have a go, otherwise let's get started. So, stem leaf diagram, well, the hardest bit is figuring out what the heck a stem leaf diagram is. This question gives you a big hint because it draws it out for you. You can see that the stems 5, 6, 7, 8, that represents 50, 60, 70, 80. And on the leaf bit, we're only going to put in the units. Now the easiest way of doing this question is just do them in order of size. So 51 is our smallest. Now we're not going to write 51 in here because there's a 50 on the left hand side, we're just going to write a 1. Looking around, I think 53 is our next smallest, so we're going to put the 3 in. And make sure you cross them out on your exam paper so you don't lose track. 54 is our next biggest, or next smallest, and then 58. And then I think 62, and then another 62. And then we've got a 70, a 73, and a 79, then an 84. Now, be careful with this because what some people do is they accidentally don't put them in order of size, and you will only get 1 out of 2 marks if 2 marks are available for that part of the question. So make sure you put them in order of size. If you have trouble with it, draw a rough one which they're not in order of size, and then fill it in on the main one with them all beautifully in order of size, going from left to right. If there is a two-sided one, then make sure the smallest are on the right hand side and the biggest are on the left hand side. Okay, but this is only a single stem and leaf diagram question. The last mark, the third mark in this question, is for the key, and you just pick a value, and it doesn't even have to be a value on there, so I always just pick the first one. 5 line 1 means 51, and the reason for this is it could have meant 5.1, but if you look at the questions there are no decimals, so it means 51.